part 2 of installing a new outlet. Well, not outlet, replacing a light switch. I just turned on the breaker and works. Okay. That's the lights one.
Got it.
The first one, so I'm not gonna be turning off both. This is part 2. I accidentally ended the first one, so if you watched that, this is part 2, so. Yeah. Okay, you got that? You got that? This is the old switch. Some of these, we had it like this, but yeah, it's supposed to be mounted like this. Come on, focus. There you go.
Okay, go flip the breaker. Try this out.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. This came out.
Okay. Let's go flip the breaker, but gotta do a little repair. Yeah. This is taking us literally like 20 minutes. No, just probably like 15 minutes already. This is literally taking us like 15 minutes.
Okay, ready? Go flip.
Okay. Let's go turn them on. Turn these boys on. Okay, I ended up having to turn those back off, but I think. So, Dad, what are we doing over here now?
Putting the ground back on.
Okay, so we're putting the ground back on. Oh, so yeah, putting the ground on. So, like, if something ever happens, let's say is a short, a wire breaks in the device and it's metal. That device is like now energized. There's a ground wire that's going to be taking all that electricity. Come on, focus.
Okay, let's test it out before we put it back in.
So yeah, I'm gonna go turn that breaker back on. Did you want me to turn it on then off?
Just turn it on real quick.
Okay, got that off. So now we're just gonna install the switch plate. So now we're just gonna install a switch plate, which I've got right here. Here, let me take off the screw for this one so you can put on the other one. Gonna go grab the other switch plate. No, not switch plate, but go grab outlet plate. So I got another like screw. It's a nice day out. And it's in the house. This is also brand new, so. Okay, I got it. I'll take it off.
Where's this?
This is the finished result. It's not anything, nothing's going on right yet because I still have got to turn this breaker on. Oh my gosh. Well, breakers. Here. They're on.
All right, good work. Well done.
Yep. So, can I see these? So, this way's off. This way's on. This one's on. Yep, that's on. Top. Which one is the top? Wait, the top doesn't do anything. The top doesn't do anything. It's only the bottom switch.
Oh.
See if I do the top.
Guess the top doesn't work. Oh. Still not what we need, right?
Yeah. And also, it's a fidget.
Oh, don't break those things.
Okay. See you in the next one. And I have a little sneak peek. I'm going to be using the shed for my next system test. And I'm going to expand to the attic. So definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a great day.